Hey, so I'm gonna explain it a little bit better to you, so you can make the right changes. The thing is that okay, most of what you did with what is now most of what you did with the practice mode is very good. So the placement is good. That you have the X and Z axis. No. So with this axis is very good, and with the accuracy is very good. The only thing you could do better is make balls. So you can put like one ball like this, number 2 ball like this, number 3 ball like this, and then maybe uh, many balls. Or when you do like with the backspin tomorrow or the day after. Backspin cannot be all the time. There can be a solution for all the time, but you have to also have like 1 or 2 balls backspin and then the rest to play like this. So I can play like in real match, like 1 or 2 uh, backspin and then this. So the thing you have to understand what is going on, spin is coming from the grippiness of the rubber. The more spin I can produce with my rubber, the more sticky it is. The more sticky it is, the more it can rub the ball, right? So if we go to settings and put it on max spin, okay. So it means it is grippy, okay? So you touch the ball like this and you can give spin, right? And it also means the more spin I can produce with a rubber, the more sensitive is also on spin, because it has its surface is very grippy. So if I give this kind of spin and the ball rotates like this, the more sticky it is, the more I can give spin, the more the ball rotates, the more it also will react when it hits back on the rubber, right? So if I do like, look how much, because the physics of the racket are good. Okay, and I have now, see how much I have to close the racket for it to go straight. Look, I have to hold it like this. When I give this rotation, the ball wants to go this way, right? If I hold the racket like this, the ball comes with this rotation, touches the racket, and it will go. The more spin I give, the more it will go like this horizontally. If it's less little spin, it will go like this. More spin, and a lot of spin will go like this, almost horizontally. If I do a little spin, it goes like this. If I do a lot of spin, see how it jumps away? Almost horizontally. There you go. So this also happens when the spin comes. When the spin comes from there, the player is hitting the ball like this, right? So the ball rotates like this. When it rotates like this, it jumps on the table, jumps here, and with this rotation, when I have the racket, the ball wants to go up if there is a lot of rotation. So if I did this spin, like this spin is this rotation. It's like this, right? The ball comes here to this direction. If I do this, it jumps to this direction. And if it jumps to this direction, it comes to my racket and it wants to go up, right? So this wants to go up. See how it goes up? This is how the ball should go. This is the spin. When it does this, is this spin, right? It does like this. So the ball comes here, it takes this rotation, and then it wants to go up. So when I hold the racket like this and there's a lot of spin, it goes up. Look, you see? That is rotation. It goes up. This is the spin. Look, it goes up, you see? And this is with almost no speed, just spin. So if it goes like this, very fast, you don't have, if you have a wall here, I can show it somehow. No, there's no wall. So if he does like this, the ball jumps like to this direction. So if he does this, the ball, you see how it jumps like there? So it comes like this, hits the table and wants to go there. So if I hold my racket here and there's a lot of spin, like maximum spin, it comes very, very, very fast. So it comes like this and it should go here. And the more, if it's just rotation with no spin, it goes just up. If it's just rotation with no speed, it just goes up. You see how it goes up? That's how it should be if it is like strength. Strength like, come on, 1, and spin like 10. And the ball comes here, and I hold this. The ball should go, because it comes with very much rotation, should go like this. See, not like, see, it falls down. It means there's no rotation in it. Look, it falls down. You see, this means there's not enough rotation in the ball. This is not 10. This is not even. This is what, 2, 3. Look, it falls down. This is no spin. It should be again. If I do like this, see, it goes up. Look, you see, this spin comes. He does this movement, like this movement. Ball goes here, so there the ball goes up. If I do this, it goes up. You see, if I just hold the racket, it goes up. That's the spin. It goes up. For it to go in, I should close my racket, because the ball comes here, rotation, wants to go up. So it will take this trajectory if there's a lot of spin. So if it takes this trajectory, for me, in order to put the ball in, I have to use this trajectory. The trajectory will be like this. Okay. If there's again, if there's a lot of spin, it goes like this. This is the same spin, right? Because it comes here. If it is from here or is from here, it's the same thing. The ball rotates like this. So this is the rotation that comes from him when he does a lot of spin. If I do this rotation, hold the racket up, you see it goes up. It should go like this. So if it has this trajectory, for me, if I want to put the ball on the table, I have to close my racket like this. So it can have this trajectory and still go on the table. Otherwise, if I hold this, the ball goes up. So it should be like this. And I found a video with 2 Chinese top players. They are number 1 or number 2 in the world. And they do warm up. So one is doing the spin, full speed, full spin like this. And the other one, okay, he's pen holder, but it doesn't matter. He is holding the racket like this, and is putting it down. Look at this. I will upload this, show it to you, and then I will put the link to the when I do the warm up. So the one is doing like this heavy spin, very fast, and the other one is blocking there with his backhand, and is holding. He's a left-hander, and he's he's holding the racket like this down. Because of the thing I just explained to you, because the trajectory is this. In order to make it go in, you have to play like this. So he's holding his racket like this from the backhand, like this, and even puts it down. So this is how you can check it. If you have maximum spin, it should be like so much. It should be, I should play like this. Like there should be a number which is a little bit more than playable, right? So I should play like this for it to go in. So I should play like this. See, but look here. I hold here and the ball falls down. and this is 10. And the more strength or the more speed it is with a spin, the ball will not only fly high because of this trajectory. It goes high, right? So the physics of this racket are good, but the spin you put there is not good at all. See, here it works fine. Like this it should go. So if it's no speed, it go like this. If it's max spin and max speed, it will go like there. The ball should go like this if I have the racket like this. When he does now this thing, why is that accuracy? It has also a little bit side spin. Okay, let's do 0, 1. Top spin, everything then. Position. Okay, let's make it 10. Accuracy and accuracy here. So we have exactly here the ball. So see, and I hold it like this. The ball barely passes the net. This is like anti-spin. This is like anti-spin. To hold the ball like this is like anti-spin. This ball with this speed should go above his head. Should go above his head. And I will show it to you in 11 because there the guys have a better spin on the this is it's not. I should play like this. Look what happens if I play what I should play. Look where it goes. See? Falls down. I should play like this to go the ball in. So I will show it to you on 11. Now that's the video. I will show it to you later. So here on 11 is right. Okay. So, and this is the camera. Can you not build this camera like this? See, you see it from behind. You had it in your like sample video. It shouldn't be so difficult. It's just another camera in the scene. So, see, again here same, just like with you. Okay, just like with you. Why it does fall down? They have even spin. Now they change also the spin. But so look here, there you go. See how much it goes. And now see, because here in the mini games with the return practice, I've put it one with max. Look, this is like no spin. This is like how much spin in the middle. Look how this is like how yours go. I have here, I put it on max speed and max spin. Look where the ball goes. See? There should the ball go. Here they did it right. This is max spin, max speed. So you can check, see, with open racket like I did with yours, and the ball goes here. Or if I do in the forehand, with open racket, remember I had this on yours. Look where it goes. This is how it should go. Like max speed, max spin. This. So you can check it yourself. You can put it on max and put the ball to go like this. Yours goes like this. Look how I have to close the racket to make yours like yours went. Yours went like this, and I have to close the racket here to make this happen, right? So look how it goes up, and I have to. But here's the racket also wrong. So see, I have to play. This is how I should play. Like in front with closed racket, like this. See? Could be even more. But I think it's also because I have the speed. Okay, let's put it on max. That's too fast. No, that's too fast. Speed. See, like this. Front and front. A little bit, should be a little bit more, because I should play like, if you see the video I sent you, that he plays down. He plays like this. A little bit down, even more. He has the racket like this. He has a racket like this. See? That's how it should go. Look where it goes. And it could be even more. So this is how you can check. You can check this. You put your robot AI to have max speed, max spin on one position. You hold like this vertically 90 degrees to the table, and it should go like this, or even more on max. Then you know it's enough spin or rotation, because the speed is okay, everything else is okay, but it needs much more spin. You see the difference. Yours went like this, and it should go like this. So this shouldn't be too difficult. It's just a little bit, you put more rotation inside the tent. And if it's not enough, you put more. You put more, and you can test it. And it should go like this, minimum, or even more. Yeah, I should play like this, closed racket to go the ball to go in. But this is okay here. And then you don't need also a ball machine, because it's like a ball machine, this practice mode. So that's it. I'll give you this video so you can fix it. And again, if you do backspin, the good thing is to have 1 or 2 balls backspin, not more. So you can play 1, 2 backspin. Like in the video I will show it to you. It's like in the minute 2:59, I think, when he does Van Zedong does a serve. Susin gives one backspin. He does one or two backspin, and then he does spin, and then overspin. This is how it should be, not like in the middle of the game backspin. It should be 1 or 2 balls. It would be good if you could somehow do that. Okay, I would send it to you. And this camera is great. Just the camera inside of it.